Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Saima Irfan and in this video I want to tell you that what is the real meaning of feminism. If you guys think the feminism just mean that the girls are superior than males, then it's not. It's not like that. It's like we are just making them equal to men. They get the same opportunity as men does. And those who say no to feminism are the one who are misogynist. You think so? Those who hate girls and hate women to get superior than them, but it's not really true. They actually didn't knew about the real meaning of feminism, because feminism just mean to get equal opportunities, the equality, and to do anything whatever they want as men do. So it's simple as that, but many people just wanna capture them and just give orders to them, and they wanna dominate actually. But in this generation, in 2026, how can person do gender wars, casteism, and racist? How can this happen? Because in this time of the generation, everybody have brain and everybody have the equal opportunities to do anything whatever they want, and there is nothing discrimination if they wanted to. So this is the reason I don't use Instagram, because in the Instagram the audience is so much brain rot that they just make fun of anybody, like literally anybody. So if you want to get succeeded in your life now, so you have to cut off all this. You have a standard, you want to succeed in your life, you have a goal to achieve, you're a student, then these people don't ever involve in any kind of negativity anybody. If you had bad friends, just eliminate them from your life, just delete them from your life, just cut off from them. And actually there are some people जिनका अगर मैसेज आ जाए तो I was like क्यों कर दिया मैसेज, क्यों आ गया मैसेज, I'm just get disturbed from them. It's actually that. So you also get into a friend circle who are well educated, who got dreams to chase, who got goals, and who have self confidence and control in their life, the discipline and consistency in their life, and they have a good mentality toward women. They respect them, respect everybody who respect you. I'm not saying every girl deserve respect, some don't, but as a good person you should have to. And in any if you take any religious books, गीता, कुरान, बाइबल, किसी में भी नहीं लिखा है कि you can make fun of other, to disrespect other, and to सब कुछ, right? And many people have their political opinions, and I really hate politics. If there is a like nota system, I would click that only, because nobody deserve. See, if we those who are saying ki against ruling party, so those who are saying against it, they are called, you know what I mean. And those who support the opposition party, they will call another name for them. So literally, actually from my side of view, if you want to take any political opinion, I will say we will criticize the ruling party only to get development. To अगर देखिए कोई भी गलत चीज़ होती है हमारे स्कूल में, we will criticize the principal, right? Even they didn't know about the thing and the cheating and all those stuff, but still we criticize whom? The principal. So if anything happen in this world, whom is taking the responsibility? Ignore my English, please just take my जज्बात कि what I'm trying to say. We will criticize the ruling party कि हमारी country में ये हो गया. I'm not saying कि opposition party भी इतनी अच्छी है कि वो भी इस चीज़ की responsibility ले लेगी. No, it's not. देखो, ruling party is also not doing something that much great in India. You know what I mean? In the education field, in NEET exam, the JEE exam, and CBSE board exam, everything got leaked, paper cheated, and those who in any murder case or any that case, you know what I mean? In that case also, in political opinion, if you have a connection with any higher power, then the case got solved. The judiciary system sucks, and those who have money or those who have power can survive easily in this country. Otherwise, the educated ones leave the country as soon as possible, because they knew about the system in this India, right? So I am saying that the system is corrupt and the system is not governmenting at all, and the ruling party itself is not taking the stand कि वो आए खुद से और बहुत अच्छी चीज़ करे कि we will appreciate them. तो ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा है. So in this generation, अगर कोई Gen Z political leader बने तो उसके ऊपर हम सब rely हो पाए, and those who don't have the connection. So guys, you know what? I'm not taking about the name of any person. I'm not taking the name of any person कि this is the only person whom is like cheating, misguiding, and a scam and doing all these things, because everybody in the politics and judicial system and the judge, lawyer, and everything, the criminals got bailed, guys. तो हम सब किसके ऊपर रिलाई कर रहे हैं? एंड अगर हमारी सिक्योरिटी की बात आए तो नीट में लाइक मतलब बच्चों के पैंट के बटन्स एंड द मेटल थिंग्स एंड आर रबड़ बैंड स्क्रंचीज बाल खुलवा दिए गए, एंड पता नहीं क्या क्या कर दिया, बट पेपर ही लीक हो गया. मतलब हम सब बेचारे बच्चों के ऊपर जो पढ़ते हैं, हम सब के ऊपर शक करा गया, बट जिस चीज़ मेन रीज़न था उसी चीज़ को छोड़ दिया. मतलब कितने सारे लोगों के लखनऊ में भी, हमारे आसपास जो आशियाना एंड और भी बहुत सारी जगह, गाजियाबाद, एंड जहाँ पे फायर लगवा दी गई, बिकॉज दे वर लिविंग इन अ लैंड जहाँ पे वो इलीगल था, बट विदाउट एनी नोटिस, और उन सबके घर चल गए. मतलब आप फिर उसके बाद मतलब देखो गाइस, इफ़ अ पुअर फार्मर वांट टू जस्ट केस को सॉल्व करना चाहता है वो, और उसकी कोई गलती भी नहीं है, स्टिल इफ यू डोंट हैव मनी एंड पावर ही विल नॉट सर्वाइव इन दिस कंट्री. यू आर एग्रीइंग विद मी और नॉट? इट इज व्हाट इट इज गाइस, एंड वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द रियलिटी that the system is corrupt and we should not rely on it, and you should have backup option for everything. So just if anybody is scoring 670 and then he was like कि मेरा हो गया, there are so many students जो दूसरे सिटी गए थे एग्जाम देने के लिए, उनके ऊपर क्या बीती होगी जब उनको पता चला होगा कि एग्जाम कैंसिल होगा. गाइस गाड़ी टिकट सबका खर्चा, मतलब सब कुछ जो करके उसने अपने, देखिए गाइस, मतलब there are so many droppers also, there are so many students those who are preparing for this NEET exam since many years, and they have dedicated each and every day for the 3 May exam, and their parents also sacrifices. Or there are not only 22 lakhs students who are suffering because of this exam cancellation. If you add the teachers, the genuine parents who actually supported the student, then the figure must be in 50 lakhs students. And एक exam के cancel होने से there are not only 23 lakh students who are suffering, but if you take the number, teachers, the family, पूरी family affect होती है यार. अगर आप genuinely preparation कर रहे हो and उन सब का भी routine and हर चीज़ alter हो जाती है कि उनका बच्चा prepare कर रहा है किसी exam के लिए, तो आपने सिर्फ 23 lakhs नहीं 50 lakhs के लोगों की लाइफ को चेंज कर दिया है. ये एग्जाम कैंसिलेशन बड़ी बात है. एंड दोज हु आर स्कोरिंग 670 एंड दे गॉट टू द ट्रिप कि मेरा अब तो सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, आई शुड एंजॉय नाउ, तो उनके ऊपर क्या बीत रही होगी. मतलब वही लोग, ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई एम गिविंग माई फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट दिस ईयर, द रीनीट की वजह से ऐसा लग रहा है everybody got again in that drop year phase of their life and to study from the chapter and revision and all that stuff. So it's really unfair system for all of us, for everybody, each and everybody, those who don't have power. Actually the general and the reservation system also sucks in this matter कि अगर कोई SC ST है and he got a rich family and a rich background, guys, there are so many general students also who came from the बैकवर्ड क्लासेस. गाइस आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि जो जनरल बच्चा है जनरल कैटेगरी का और उसको नहीं मिला रिजर्वेशन, क्यों? क्योंकि एक अच्छे घर का SC ST थे उसकी कास्ट, तो इसी बेसिस पे उसको मिल गया, rather than the general person is suffering from their life, from the household, from the daily basic necessities of living, and still he doesn't get a seat at all. Why? Because of his caste only, because of his caste. Actually आपको क्या लगता है कि all the general people are rich, our OBC background people are rich and all? So it's not totally true, right? It's not totally true, and we cannot do anything also. We are suffering in this criteria which is not equal right now for us. And किसी को भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए कि जनरल को सीट नहीं मिली, तो वो अब SC ST को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे कि तुम लोगों की वजह से सीट नहीं मिली है. अगर फीमेल्स आर लेस डोमिनेटेड देन मैंस एंड मैंस आर डोमिनेटिंग एंड दे गॉट अ मेजॉरिटी क्लासेस, देन दे विल ट्राई टू put them down. So this is a human nature to put anybody down. But I just want to say to my audience who are watching this video, please never put anybody down. Guys, you should try to imagine yourself in the place of them कि उनको कैसा feel हो रहा होगा, rather than pulling them down. You should need to understand the struggles the women are making to get the same equal opportunity as men, but they are suffering to get that, to get the level same. Some, I'm saying some, and the exceptions always there. Not all religion people are that, if you think so. Not everybody is like that only. The negativity in our heart makes them, but actually it's not. So I'm just trying to say this only कि we should love everybody, we should be humble first of all, we should try to talk to people with love and kindness. तो कैसे आपको नहीं अच्छे से बात करेगा कोई, आपको कैसे? And you should take the example of many teachers. If you are a student, you have the teacher that they are teaching to you the good manners and everything. And in the school also, we are built up in the society with every religion, with every gender, and with every caste. But when we are in childhood era, we didn't know about these things exist. तो लाइफ कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी थी ना गाइस, जब हमको कोई सारी चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता था. और वही एक बच्चा जिसने एक मुस्लिम टीचर से पढ़ा हो, अपनी मम्मी पापा बहन सबने सपोर्ट करा उसको, उसकी बड़ी बहन ने उसको पढ़ाया, और बड़े होकर उसने क्या करा, बड़े होकर उसने उन्हीं लोगों को हेट दिया जिन्होंने बचपन में. So there is, the innocence is really rare in these days. There are some people who are innocent in this world, and actually we should love, and this is I try to express with this video. And if you think that I am right, then you can like this video. And guys, if you don't agree with my voice and with my things that I am trying to express in this video, then that's totally fine, because I respect also everybody has different opinion and different category, because we are made and develop and grow in a different society. That some people can't accept the reality of this world because their room is so tiny, their mind is so narrow, they are not thinking broadly, they are thinking narrow, their source mind thinking is so short that they can't even accept that the people who are doing is not for them, they are doing for their own happiness. Some people used to think the girl dress up for men's. No, that's not really true. They are dressing up for themselves so that they look good and they can slay, they get happy from that. I am making videos not for anybody, because I get happiness, that's why I'm making this video, guys. So actually you want to accept, not try to just disrespect each and everybody you see on the internet right now. They are always spreading negativity in this world. 90% people are already negative in this world, so be that 10%. अच्छे लोग कम ही मिलते हैं, so वही बनो आप. And yes guys, हर चीज़ को पॉजिटिव लेना सीखिए, and that's I wanna say in this video, and hope you guys like my video, मतलब like my thoughts, and Like it, Jessica. Bye bye. Bye bye.